have a special guest on the balcony over there. Mickey's on the balcony. We're not stopping because we are headed to Dumbo before the queues get crazy again. We're spending our day in the Disneyland Park today. Going to try and explore Adventureland, Discoveryland and Frontierland, because there's not so much in them areas that our kids want to do.
They've got that cool like walkthroughs, caves and stuff like that to check out, so I'm excited to see that. The smell is so nice, it's like a fresh bake.
Yeah, you got all the sweet shops and the bakeries here, haven't you?
Yeah, it smells great, man.
Do you know what I'm yet to have? The Mickey pretzel sandwich that Missy hates. I really enjoyed it. But you like the
cheese one.
The cheese toasty, I forgot what they call it.
Cheese toasty. They do like a massive cheese toasty. Definitely get that. I think
maybe that's lunch. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah.
You ready? And up we go. Now it's going straight up. Oh my god, it's high. Oh my god, Zamfi. Oh my god. Oh wow. Go on, keep going high. Whoa.
Hi, Mama.
Keep going up, stay up. Family. Keep going.
Does it?
Lonzo.
How do you know?
Phoebe was making us like drop
Me
on
and
the
Phoebe
Dumbo
going
ride, and Lonzo was going. She's going up and down, up and down. Careful, Lonzo.
Spin. You go faster.
Go, help! Faster.
Woo. Whoa.
Oh, what happened there? Oh, we swapped over.
Oh.
For you? Yeah.
Yeah, help Phoebe. Getting dizzy. So just try the K-pop and it tastes alright.
Dark chocolate. Yeah.
No. Is that milk chocolate?
It looks like dark chocolate on the outside.
So right now we're in Adventureland. Have a look around and see Pirates of the Caribbean over there. I see a massive waterfall and a massive skull as well. Adventureland's mostly like pirate themed.
Come and have a look first.
Yeah, let's have a look over there. You gotta be hitting the dark caves. Unless there's stairs there. Is there stairs? So we tried the caves and the girls absolutely said no. We were in there for like 2 seconds and they said no, I don't like it. So as for Adventureland, I don't think we want to get much here because it's mostly pirates themed and scary stuff. So
We did find a playground though.
we did find a playground.
5 minutes a piece, I'll take it.
So we're heading off to this playground here. And it's located like kind of in the middle where the big boat is.
Is this the pirate?
It's called La Plage de Paris, yeah.
What's that in English?
The Pirates Beach,
Pirate Beach.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
So there you go. Go girls, have play. Go, run.
Right, give me
What happened? Robinsons. It's like a massive tree house. Looks pretty cool. On we go. Yeah, Phoebe, how you find this holiday so far? Good. Out of 10. How many fingers out of 10?
10 years.
10 years. What are you, Zamfi? Out of the holiday, out of 10, what's the holiday been so far?
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. Wow. Daddy, the holiday has been also 10 out of 10. It's been a great holiday. We are really enjoying ourselves. Taking it at a slow pace. We've seen so many more new things.
He gets an ice cream.
Yes, we're getting ice cream. Mummy's getting ice cream right now and taking things in a lot more. Slow down the pace, you know. But when you come to Disney, you've got a big family like ours. You have to section things and plan. Plan is important. A good thing that we like to do is like the kids' meal. When you go to the food places, you get a lot for your values. Mummy's back and she's brought many snacks. So a cupcake here, which is nice. Mickey waffles with some cream on it. And we've got this Lion King ice cream. Ice cream sandwich. And that's pretty cool.
That is your...
Not all of
Mickey
it.
waffle. Ice cream sandwich.
I don't think you're good, you know.
Okay, don't eat all the cream.
It's really nice. I haven't tried.
Daddy, not all of it because I need to try. I want to try it.
Mummy wants to try it too.
The genie lamp in there. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Am I beautiful? Am I beautiful? Heartbreak. Didn't respond to me.
How pretty is it in here?
Oh. So who do you think you're gonna meet in there? Something.
Mommy, baby's still in the heart.
Is it? Are you excited?
You're gonna meet the galleys now. Listen up. Yeah. Play it cool, mate. You got this. There you go, go through.
I'm here.
Beautiful. I love your dresses. You open doors to a royal ball. Yes, I know it. I have a question. Do you also have magic powers like Elsa? You're going to praise me, are you? You promise. Promise? So much. You have a lovely day today. That you did today.
Stand with your hands with them, let's take photos. Look at this, look at this.
How was that?
What did she tell you? What was you talking about? Pascal?
Yeah, help her.
A chameleon?
Did you meet the princess? How was she? She was nice. Yes.
Oh, okay. I can see why people wait 3 hours.
Yeah.
It was such a beautiful experience, and it's not
Honestly.
rushed.
Yeah.
It's so lovely.
Yeah. They really take your time with the princesses and allow you to really experience this. Whoa.
Shall I try and break it so that you can hold it each?
Stuck to the paper. What did break my teeth on?
Oh, it's that nice candy though. Wow.
Oh, this is delicious. We'll try that one, yeah?
I got it all up my face.
What do you think?
It's very good. It's hard to bite.
nice shop.
Here it goes.
It is time.
Show amazing. So we're gonna eat at this cowboy cookout barbecue place. Heard some great things about it. Look at that. Look at all this space. And it smells great. It smells nice and barbecue. Good old cowboy style. So hungry.
Oh, they do it as a meal.
16 quid.
18. I'm heading out with Georgia, maybe Keely, I'm not sure, for Mummy's night. We are going to go and do all the rides we've not been able to do. Tower of Terror is an absolute must. Don't really enjoy it, but I'm going to do it. It's fun. It is fun, but the thought of it takes a lot to actually get on. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to do some vlogging and let you see if I can get some POVs, but I really don't know if I'll be able to. Here she is.
Hello.
Hello. Just you?
No, Georgia's coming.
Oh, she's coming. So is she ready for what we're doing? Tower of Terror?
Yeah.
We're doing Avengers again?
Yeah.
I've checked. Tower of Terror's got 25 minutes.
Oh, nice.
You said you wanted to be on the vlog. Let's go. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Don't complain tomorrow that you feel sick. We are headed straight to Avengers Assemble. I just got smacked in the head. We are headed straight. I wish I caught that. Got nutted on the head with a balloon. To Flight Force because it's 5 minutes. Then hopefully we can go on Tower of Terror. Did you see it? Look at all these people leaving as well. Like, this is actually perfect. Oh!
Did you smell that?
No.
Someone fired as they ran past.
Oh, lush. We're literally walking straight on this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Here we are. Look at this guy.
Look at him posing.
That is so good. Right, on to the next.
Well, you didn't tell me when I'm straight away, upside down.
Yeah, you have no chance to think.
On the side.
Yeah, I don't remember it being that bumpy like last time. It definitely is a bit wobbly. So good.
It's been on so many times today. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Needs an MOT. Bit of WD-40.
That was really good. I thought it would make your stomach turn, but it actually doesn't.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I worked it up in my head a bit more.
I thought it was
It's so good. Jack, check. As you come off the ride, you walk straight into this shop.
Good 25-minute wait though.
Quick drink stop. And then we're gonna get crashed before the park closes. Oh, stunning. Oh, I have yet to do this ride, and any of the times I've been to Disney, George tells me it's a must. So let's go. So good. It took a minute to get into it because I was thinking I feel like we're on a kid's train. And then we got hit. No, it was great. And I may have dribbled on my face.
Through excitement.
Through excitement. We're off to the Disneyland Park now to get on, what are we doing? Big Thunder Mountain and Hyperspace Mountain. Why have they all got mountains?
Big Thunder, yeah, it is.
3 times in a row. We're going to see if we can catch the back end of the fireworks. The drones are out, and then try and escape before the crowd tramples us like a stampede. We are leaving. Whew, that was very successful. We had a great time. I'm going to quickly stop by McDonald's and get some chicken McNuggets. Something about the French chicken nuggets from McDonald's, unmatched. So why does it keep zooming into my face like that? Ooh. So we're gonna go ahead and get Nissy some, and I'm definitely gonna join him in eating them.
Let's do it again tomorrow.
Let's do it again tomorrow.